If you're like most founders that are raising capital, you go through this endless emotional roller coaster cycle of endlessly looking for investors and always wondering where you're really at with your capital raise. You always feel like you're failing, you're spending hours and hours of follow-up, and you get emotional about rejection. You're running out of hours, your team is hitting a wall, and willpower alone will not scale your capital pipeline. On day one of Velocity Conference, we are fixing your deal funnel. No high-profile fluff or generic panel discussions. We are spending the day installing a permanent, always-on investor relations engine directly into your business to qualify and nurture capital on autopilot. And on day two, we graduate from basic manual chatbot interactions to true agentic execution. We are going to deploy custom digital employees that operate 24/7 across your sales, marketing, operations, and finance functions. This is pure implementation on your own secure data with zero public information leakage. You leave with a working AI agent stack that handles the administrative drag while you focus on the strategic leverage activities. You walk in manually and you walk out AI native. Secure your operating installation right now by joining us at the Velocity AI Summit on the 23rd and 24th of June at Ridges World Square. I look forward to seeing you there.